Yeah, I would definitely say at first it can look a bit overwhelming because there's loads of different aspects of it, but I would definitely say just try and get used to different parts. There's a lot of good training tools, that's what we use to actually try and get used to it.
Tons of tutorials, there's so many out there. I mean, SOLIDWORKS does them themselves.
I wouldn't just follow along with them. I would maybe watch them and then try and recreate it from memory. And the bits that you don't necessarily understand, you can sort of write that down and say, okay, I didn't know this, I know that's what I need to work on.
It's like coding, just doing it makes you learn it instead of like watching a tutorial then go and do it. Like doing it yourself and learning by yourself is the best way to learn CAD in my opinion.
And then from there, just sort of, even just before you even try and attempt to do a CAD model, for example, just spend about 10-15 minutes just sort of freestyling anything, because that's how you learn as well, just by making random stuff.
And also everyone's got different experience in it as well, so if you are working with a group, definitely speak to people and see if they can give you advice. That's what I used to do as well in my course for some people who were more specialised in CAD than I was, and then they supported me with my training, so now I'm like better at it than I was as well.
I just think it is really intuitive once you get used to it. Like it's just, everything's named well, you know what it means. It's all where you'd want it to be. And they have so many different packages. I've only used the flow simulation one, but they've got so many.